Hey everybody, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Shauna and welcome to Shauna's World. Yay! How's everybody doing? Well, I am relaxing. Today is day 5, I believe. I've been 5 days here in Fuerteventura. And yeah, the weather has been absolutely amazing. Yeah, did lots of shopping and lots of eating. So yeah, diet has been kind of out the door, but I guess that's to be expected when you're on vacation. I did, however, train, played some tennis. Friday, I'm going to play some tennis again, so I'm excited about that. Perhaps tomorrow I'll try to go to a fitness studio. The fitness studio is really nice. The one that I have in Nyan has a nice view of the beach, so it's really nice. Yeah, everybody, so what's going on? So what have I been up to? Shopping. Today was actually not a beach day. It was really cold, unfortunately, so... Okay, what's really cold? It was like, Celsius wise, it was, I think 18, 19, maybe even 20 Celsius. I mean, it wasn't that cold, but the thing about Fuerteventura, it gets really windy here. So yes, I can't wait to show you guys what I got today. Yeah. What else has been going on? No, I have not been watching too many shows, but on the plane ride here, I did get into the one dating show called Ultimatum. Is it Ultimatum? Yeah, that was a good show. Very good. Let me think about it. What happened on there? Yeah, it's a lot of twisted stuff. I mean, these couples that go on to this, they do this experiment. They all kind of have somewhat issues. Basically, they're given an ultimatum. You marry me or else I walk, or, you know, and it kind of works both ways. And it's their ultimatums being given to men and women. And yeah, it's kind of interesting to see how it unfolds. It's funny to see that the guys, some couples, the guys are giving the women the ultimatum, like, okay, you better, you know, I want some kids and I want to get married. And, you know, the women are like, I want to still, you know, work on my career. I want to, you know, have fun. I don't see myself as the mother. So that's kind of interesting to see that. How many episodes did I watch? I think I watched like 4 or 5 episodes. Good show. I haven't watched it since I've been here. I've been outside every single day. I mean, you know, in nice weather, you really want to take advantage of that. Don't want to sit inside and look at TV. But, and then at nighttime, I'm usually tired, you know, from being outside all day. I'm like, today wasn't, yeah, today I didn't, like I said, I didn't do a whole lot. I know I'm jumping. I did not, yeah, I wasn't outside too much. Oh, car broke down today. That's a big pity. So the car is in the shop. I was on the way to taking my daughter to tennis training, my daughter and my son to tennis training, and the car broke down, so has to go in the shop, unfortunately. So, yeah, I didn't get a chance to do a lot today, but go to the mall. Yeah, went to the mall today and hung out there, and yeah, No beach today. Like I said, no beach. Today was a little bit windy. And to sit outside of the, on the beach in the wind isn't so nice. You know, that's one thing Fuerteventura is known for. Its winds. It can be very windy here. So and today was one of those days. Yeah, so I'm excited to show you guys what I purchased. And I will probably do a little bit of a try on. Yeah, guys, thanks for hanging out with me today. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to hear more from me, subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Yay! Turn that notification bell on. So when I upload a video, you'll know. Yeah, you'll know that I uploaded a video.